voyages of the Starship Enterprise. Her 5-year mission? To explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no one has gone before.
If you're interested in the side art blades called Power Blades, check out the link in the video description below. What's up guys, this is Tampatec and this is the Star Trek Pro pinball machine designed by Steve Ritchie. I'm going to show you some of the custom mods I made and some of the mods I bought for this Stern pinball machine. Hopefully you found this video informative. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Right here I installed a shaker, which is probably the most basic common mod to install in a Stern pinball machine. I also installed this volume control. I installed these power blades. They're animated side art blades for the Stern Star Trek pinball machine. You can also use it for Star Wars, but I thought it would look amazing on the Star Trek pinball machine. And as you can see, that instead of just like regular art, you got really cool explosions, you know, blasters going off. So it looks more animated and I think it looks better. And when the machine is turned off, it makes a nice mood light. How cool does that look? So right here is the kit. You got the inverter right here. This is the power cord. These are the ribbon cable connections. And you got two side art blades right here. This one connects right here. So the left side art blade connects right here. And this side art blade should connect right here. That plugs in right here. There we go. Alright, and next you want to find the plug right here. This is a Star Trek Stern Pro pinball machine. This is not the newer Stern pinball machines where this plug is in the back box near the power supply. This is going to be near the power switch near the coin door. So make sure you unplug that. Okay? And then you're going to plug in the power blades using the splitter into this power connection. You can connect another power cord to the service outlet if you want the power blades always on. So next you want to turn on. And let's check it out. Oh, sweet! Oh, this thing's so cool. I have all my machines plugged into this power strip, so if I want to turn them all off, I just hit that power strip. This is a Hot Wheels toy model. I got off of eBay for around 30 bucks. And I drilled through the top right
Select
here.
A mission.
And I added 3mm blue LED. I wired it right here. I drilled a hole through here. And I got it connected to that general illumination light bulb right there. So it's powered using that voltage, and that's what's powering that right there. We have the Cleon chip. Now you could buy this on Pinside, or you could buy it off of eBay, but it's not going to have any LED mods when you buy it off of eBay. The one on Pinside actually comes with LEDs, and it looks slightly different from this one. This is the Hot Wheels toy model, and you actually move it around. It's adjustable. See, as you can move the wings up and down. I added 3mm red LEDs. These are 12-volt LEDs, and I zip tied them to the guns right here. And I ran the wires under here through this hole. I drilled a hole through here, and it connected it to the flasher right there. So when you shoot the spinner, the red LEDs light up. I thought that was kind of cool. We added a red LED ring around the Vengeance ship. So when you shoot, I'm searching for the ball right now. When you shoot the ball at this target right here, it lights up. Doesn't that look cool? See the red ring, LED ring? I think it looks fantastic. Right here I added the Nero ship, which doesn't come with the pinball machine obviously, and not even the premium has this. So this is actually the pro version. The premium version has the Enterprise, which is, you know, it has LEDs in it, and the pro does not have it. That's why I wanted to add the Enterprise and install that LED on it, so it looks similar to the premium. But for some reason they didn't include the Cleon ship on both versions, and they also didn't include the Nero ship on both versions, even though it's in the code. So I added the Nero ship. I got that off of eBay, once again, around 30 bucks. And that's a Hot Wheels toy model. Has no LEDs in these toy models, so I added 2 red LEDs inside the Nero ship. So when you shoot the ramp right here, let me see, yeah, it lights up. See how it lights up right there? So if you're in a mode and you see this light and you shoot the ball up the ramp right here, that's going to light up that Nero ship. See? So I'm going to show you how it's all wired underneath. So the Cleon ship, see that black cable right there? Right there. And I soldered it to that spinner flasher right there. So that's how the Cleon ship is wired, as you can see. I use Cat 6 cable, I believe. This black cable coming from there, that's the Enterprise blue LED. So you see that light socket? I wired the Enterprise blue LED to that general illumination light socket. And then right here, you see that flasher right there with the alligator clips on it? The red is the positive and the black is the negative. I got that connected to the Nero ship. And the side arc blades, the power blades, as you see right here, that is simply plugged into the service outlet. I also installed clear buttons with color changing LEDs behind them. So right here I eliminated the starter and the ballast and added a LED tube. So you just pull on this, pull on that, and twist this, and this comes out. Now you can face it outward or inward. If you face it outward, of course the translight is going to be brighter, but I don't want that because the reflection on the plate-filled glass will be really bad. And another upgrade I did is I added a color display. The DMD originally was all orange, and I definitely wanted a color DMD, and this is the LED version. This is the LCD version right here on my Getaway, and as you can tell, the colors on the LED version are a lot brighter, and the blacks are black and the whites are really bright white. But they both look good. The LED version, by the way, is $100 cheaper, so I think it's probably best to get that. Color changing lights behind the speaker grill that came with the pinball machine. That's an upgrade. And then the color changing LED strip I added behind the translate to give it more of an animated space theme. And let me show you back here, behind here. So this is what it looks like, all hooked up. And there's buttons right here. You can change some of the settings, you know, make it brighter or darker. There's more options on the LCD version. You could do smaller dots or bigger dots or no dots. But with the LED, of course, you have no choice but to have the dots.
Voyages of the Starship Enterprise. Her 5-year mission? To explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no one has gone before.
If you found this video informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone that's interested in pinball, go ahead and click on the share button below and share this video to them. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos.